Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In our today's class, we are going to discuss a very important topic, calendars. So in this video lesson, we are going to discuss from the basics, and I want you guys to be active throughout the session. Now, this is the topic yes. I think my voice is loud and clear. I want you guys to confirm it in the chat box once. Good evening everyone. Drop your message in the comment section. So this session will definitely help you to solve questions from calendars. Yes. Let us start from the basics. Before getting into this topic, we need to understand how many days does a week have? 7 days. Week starts with, can you guys answer it in the comment section? What is the first day of a week? I want you guys to write your answers in the comment section. Drop a message there. Week starts with, very good evening Sandhya, very good evening Manikanta, very good evening Pandu. Nice. What is the first day of a week? Very good evening Manikanta. Good to see you all in the class. Very good. First day of a week is a Monday. Week starts with a Monday. Second day of a week is a Tuesday. Third, that's a Wednesday. Fourth is a Thursday. Fifth day of a week is a Friday. Sixth is a Saturday. And the last day of a week, Sunday. As we all know, Saturday and Sunday are known as weekends. So week starts with a Monday, week ends with a Sunday. In addition to this, how many days does a month have? How many days does a month have? It can be 28, 29, 30 or 31. In any given month, you will find 28, 29, 30 or 31 days. And then a year. It can be either 365 days or 366 days. The year which has 365 days is known as a non-leap year. 366 is known as a leap year. Now, I want you all to understand this. Any given year consists of 52 weeks. How can we say this? Number of days in a year divided by 7. 52 weeks and you are left with 1 day. In this case, if it's a leap year, you will find 52 weeks and 2 days. Here, the remaining 1 and 2 days are known as odd days. So let's understand what an odd day is. Actually, we are trying to adjust the total number of days into weeks. So once we put the given number of days into weeks, if we are left with some other days which are not adjustable, those days are known as odd days. Clear? So we are trying to adjust the given number of days into weeks. Once we are done with this, and if we are left with some other days which are not adjustable, those days are known as odd days. And then it can also be said this way, to keep it simple, the given number of days divided by 7, the remainder what we are left with is known as number of odd days. Look at this carefully. Any given number of days divided by 7, the remainder what we are left with is known as number of odd days. I want you all to understand this now. Any given number divided by 7, what will be the maximum possible remainder? What will be the maximum possible remainder? 6. Minimum possible remainder, that's 0. From this we should understand that maximum number of odd days 6 and minimum number of odd days that were observed is 0. Hope this is clear. Based on this, based on the odd days, the first day of a week is a Monday and the last day of a week is a Sunday. Clear? Any given number divided by 7, we will never observe the remainder as 7. Instead of 7, you will find it as 0. Still, week starts with a Monday, week ends with a Sunday. Make a note of it. Let's move on to the next one now. Hope this is clear. I want you guys to mention it in the comment section, each and every one. Are you guys able to follow the class? So till now, we discussed what an odd day is, and we discussed how many maximum number of odd days exist and minimum number of odd days exist. Here, let us discuss another important thing. By looking at the given year, can we say whether it is a leap year or not? Let me start with this. Is there 2024 a leap year? I want you guys to answer that in the comment section. Is 2024 a leap year? How can we say this? Look at the last 2 digits of the given year. If it is divisible by 4, that is said to be a leap year. So 2024, as it's divisible by 4, it's a leap year. Let me write some years now. I want you guys to answer this. Is 1996 a leap year? Is 1996 a leap year? So I want you to divide the given years by 4. If it is divisible by 4, we can conclude that it's a leap year. 2024, as it's divisible by 4, it's a leap year. 1996, as it's divisible by 4, it's a leap year. 1664, as it's divisible by 4, it's a leap year. Very good, Akhil. Very good. Thank you for the confirmation, Pandu. Guys, is the live session clear? Am I audible? So one of your friends mentioned that live is buffering. I want you guys to confirm that in the comment section. Is that the case with everyone? Could you please confirm that once? Manikanta, Akhil, Sandhya. Is the session clear? So, when the given year is divisible by 4, we can say that it's a leap year. Fine. Now, let us look at these years as well. 2000. I want you guys to observe the difference between these two. These years are known as ordinary years and these years are known as century years. Clear? These years are known as ordinary years and these years are known as century years. In case of an ordinary year, the given year should be divisible by 4. In case of a century year, the given year should be divisible by 400. Clear? In order to become a leap year, if you are given a century year, the given year should be divisible by 400. Clear? 2000 is a century year. As it's divisible by 400, it's a leap year. Once you look at 2100, though it's a century year, as it's not divisible by 400, it's not a leap year. I want you guys to be very clear in this regard. In case of a century year, the given year should be divisible by 400. Only then it is said to be a leap year. Which means that, in general, usually you will observe a leap year for every 4 years. Let me give you much more clarity on this. From 1996, after 1996, you will observe the next leap year in 2000. Clear? But as far as 2096 is concerned, after 4 years, that's 2100, as it's not divisible by 400, it's not a leap year. And its next leap year will be 2104. From this, we need to understand that there are some instances where you won't find a leap year after every 4 years. If you look at these 2 years, 2096 is a leap year, and its immediate next leap year will be observed in the year 2104, as 2100 is not divisible by 400. This is one of the important things which I expect you guys to remember. And now we discussed how to find whether the given year is a leap year or not. Let us move on to the next one now. Let's observe these things once. This time we are going to learn how to say to which century the given year belongs to. 1996. Let me write some years here. Yes. Consider these examples now. I want you guys to answer. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let me start with this. I want you guys to tell me to which century the year 1996 belongs to. Everyone in the class, write your answers in the comment section. To which century the given year 1996 belongs to. I am sure each and everyone knows that a century is a set of 100 years. Clear? One century is a set of 100 years. I want you guys to tell me to which century the year 1996 belongs to. Very good, Akhil. 1996 belongs to 20th century. 2024 belongs to 21st century. 1664 is the year which belongs to 17th century. 1112 belongs to 12th century. 1375 belongs to 14th century. In the same way, I want you guys to answer this one as well. To which century the year 2000 belongs to. To which century the given year 2000 belongs to. Very good, Subhashini. Very good, Akhil. I want you to answer this one now. To which century the year 2000 belongs to. I am sure 2000 is a century year. That's a multiple of 100. I'll really feel very happy if you guys answer this correct in your first attempt. To which century the year 2000 belongs to. I would like to give you two options now. 20th century, 21st century. 2000 is the year which belongs to 20th century. Let me explain this to you now. Century is a set of 100 years. Observe this one carefully. From 1 to 100 comes under first century. So this being the first year of the century and this being the last year of the century. So first year of the first century is 1 and last year of the first century is 100. And its next century begins from 101 and up to 200, which comes under second century. This is the first year of this century and this is the last year of this century. So last year of a century, in the sense, the 100th year of that particular century. Its next century begins from 201 and up to 300 comes under third century. In the same way, from 1901 to 2000 comes under 20th century. So 2000 is the year which belongs to 20th century. So 2000 is the last year of 20th century. From 2001 up to 2100 falls under 21st century. So this is another important thing now. So till now we understood how to find an odd day and we understood whether the given year is a leap year or not. We understood to find to which century the given year belongs to. Putting all these things together, we are going to solve questions from this topic now. From the topic calendars, now we are going to discuss the first model. That's a very important model from this topic. So we can say this is the heart of this topic. Observe this one once. We have 12 months, and on the screen you can see the month codes for the given 12 years. 12 months from January to December. Make a note of it. So these are the month codes, and as we discussed earlier, 7 days of a week are mentioned in this table from 1 to 0 or 1 to 7, and century codes. So let's see how to solve a question based on this topic. Listen to me carefully. Let me start with this question of today's date. What day of the week is 10th May 2025? I am sure you all know the answer. So that's the reason I have chosen this question. And now we will get to know whether we have got the correct answer or not. Okay. So before discussing this, each and every one present in the class, I want you guys to be very active so that the session will be much more interactive. Fine. Drop your answers in the comment section. If you have any queries, drop those messages as well. I will definitely address and clarify your doubts. Yes. So what day of the week is 10th May 2025? Let us discuss how to calculate this. 10 May 2025. Guys, see, here we are going to write 5 values. The first important thing, you guys need to remember that we are going to write 5 values here. Among these 5, the first one, date same as date, 10 same as 10, plus in the place of month, I want you to write its month code. You are given May, I want you to get its code from this month codes. May code is 1. Fine, let it be the second value. Third one, I want you guys to identify to which century the given year belongs to. You are given 2025. The given year belongs to 21st century. So I want you guys to make a note of it. You guys need to identify to which century the given year belongs to. And I want you to divide it by 4. 21 divided by 4. What's the remainder? 21 divided by 4. Observe this one carefully. These are your remainders. Look here once. These are your remainders. According to the remainder, I want you guys to write its corresponding code. Clear? When the remainder is 1, your code will be 6. When the remainder is 2, your code will be 4. When the remainder is 3, your code, that's 2. When your remainder is 0, your code will be 0. And in this case, as we got remainder as 1, your century code will be 6. I would like to repeat. This is the third value. Observe this one carefully. Date same as date. In the place of month, I want you to write its month code. And then you guys need to identify to which century the given year belongs to. You guys need to divide it by 4. According to the remainder, I want you to write its code. That's known as century code, 6. And then number of years. Number of years, which means that we need to find the present year. You need to write the respective year of the given century. Given century begins from 2001. When you start counting it from 2001 and up to 25, this being the 25th year of this particular century. 2025 is the 25th year of this century. So number of years are to be written as 25. Hope this is clear. Plus, this is the last one now. We need to write number of leap years among the given years. As we all know, for every 4 years there exists a leap year. Usually, for every 4 years, you will find a leap year. So how many leap years we have among 25 years? As number of years are written as 25, we need to find number of leap years among 25 years. So 25 divided by 4. So in this topic, this is the only place where we have to go with the quotient. So 25 by 4, Your quotient is 6. Clear? 4 times 6, 24. So you will observe 6 leap years among 25 years. I would like to repeat, these are the 5 values as we discussed earlier. First one, date, same as date. In the place of month, I want you to write its month code, and then we should look at to which century the given year belongs to. The given year divided by the given century divided by 4. According to the remainder, we have to write its code, that's known as century code, and the number of years. So we need to write the respective year of the given century. So we need to start counting from 2001, and this being the 25th year of this particular century, number of years are to be written as 25, and then number of leap years among 25 years. As there exists a leap year for every 4 years, it's 6 now. Putting all these numbers together, add all these numbers once and do mention that in the comment section. So once we add all these numbers, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 25, 42, 42 plus 6, 48. As we got 48 in total, 48 by 7. What is going to be your remainder here? So we need to focus on the remainder now. I think you guys know the difference between quotient and the remainder. 7 times 6, 42. This is known as quotient. And you are left with 6. This is known as remainder. We need to look at the remainder now. As the remainder is 6, your answer will be 6th day of a week, and it's a Saturday. So this is how we calculate and find the given date. So what day of the week is 10th May 2025? This is how we solve it. Is this clear, everyone? If you guys have any queries, you guys can mention that in the comment section. Please do that. Yes, hope this is clear. Now, yes, let us discuss another question of very good evening, Ram Abhi. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Yes. That brings me to the next question up. I want you guys to solve this, and I want you guys to mention your answer in the comment section. This is your question of so I want you guys to find 15th August 1947. Solve this and mention your answer in the comment section. Date same as date 15. Month code, August month code is 2. So you guys need to identify to which century the given year belongs to. 1947 is the year which belongs to 20th century. 20 by 4, the remainder 0. As you got remainder as 0, the century code will also be 0. Number of years 47. Leap years among 47 years. So 47 divided by 4, we need to go with the quotient, that's 11. Let's add all these numbers now. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 47, 64. 64 plus 11 is 75. So 75 by 7, as we got remainder as 5, your answer will be 5th day of a week and it's a Friday. Clear? Now let me try to raise the level of difficulty. Let us discuss some more important things from this model in this pattern. Let us look at this question now. Here, I want you guys to understand the difference between the previous question and this one. Previously, the given year is not a leap year. But this time, the given year is a leap year. And you guys need to understand that whether February 29th has passed or not. If February 29th has not passed, you're not allowed to consider the given year as a leap year. Let me repeat, you guys need to focus on the given year and the month as well. If February 29th has passed, that's a good thing. If not, you are not allowed to consider the given year as a leap year. Let me explain with this example now. Let us discuss the same with this example. Thank you so much, Pandu. Thank you so much for your support. Date same as date, 26. January code is 0. Century code. The given year belongs to 21st century. 21 by 4. Remainder being 1. When the remainder is 1, your century code, that's 6. Number of years, 24. So I am sure there is no doubt till the fourth point. Now you need to look at number of leap years. How many leap years we have among 24 years? As you all know, 24 by 4, you will get the remainder as, you'll get the quotient as 6. But you guys need to understand this. The given year is a leap year and February 29th has not passed it. So the fifth value, we are considering the given number of February 29th till the given date. As February 29th has not passed it, you are not allowed to consider 2024 as leap year till the given date. So number of leap years are to be written as 5. Do remember this point. If the given year is a leap year and if you find the month either in January or February, irrespective of the given dates, reduce 1 from the given number of leap years. So instead of writing 6, I want you to go with 5. Clear? Reason being, February 29th has not passed yet. So the last one, why should we calculate or why should we consider number of leap years apart from number of years? As we all know, for every leap year, there will be one extra day, which is nothing but February 29th. Clear? So we need to understand this. The given year is a leap year and February 29th has not passed it. So number of leap years are to be considered as 5. Do mention this in the comment section, everyone. Is it clear? If you guys say good to go, we will move on to the next one. Please do mention that in the comment section once. Thank you, Ram, for the confirmation. Yes. Now, let us add all these numbers now. 26 plus 6, 32. 32 plus 24, 56. 56 plus 5, 61. So, 61 by 7. What will be the remainder now? 5. So it's a Friday. Let me add one more question here. 29th February 2024. Do understand this one now. Observe this one as well. So this is the question where usually students often get confused. I want you guys to be very clear in this regard. Let us learn this now. Date same as date, 29. Month code, it's 3. Century code, 6. Number of years, 24. Leap years. As we discussed earlier, Though you're given February 29th, we have to reduce 1 from the given number of leap years. So instead of writing 6, we need to consider the given leap years as 5. Hope this is clear. Now let us add all these numbers now. Sure, Akhil, definitely. Are you talking about number of leap years? So why should we write 5 instead of 6? Is that your doubt? Sure, I'll definitely repeat this. See, if you look at it, usually we have to write 6 in the place of leap years. In either of the instances, you can consider any of these two. Fine. So why should you write leap years apart from number of years? Why should we write number of leap years apart from number of years? As every leap year has one extra day. Previously we discussed that every leap year has 2 odd days. Every non-leap year has 1 odd day. Hope this is clear. Hope you remember this point. On the other side, every leap year has one extra day, that's 29th of Feb. 29th of Feb. Only because of this particular date, you will observe one extra day in a leap year. This is the only reason why we need to calculate number of leap years apart from number of years. Hope this is clear. Now, the given date. If you look at the given date, as February 29th has not passed it, we are not allowed to consider this as a leap year. The extra day is not passed it. So that's the reason instead of writing 6, we have to go with 5 odd days. Clear? Same is the case with this one. 29th February 2024. That's being 29th. And you should understand that 29th has not passed it. After completion of February 29th, only then we need to consider it as a leap year. So that comes into an account from 1st March of any given leap year. So simply, let's remember it this way. When the given year is a leap year and the months are either January or February, irrespective of the dates, though you are given February 29th, we need to reduce 1 from the given number of leap years. So instead of writing 6, I wanted to go with 5. Clear? Hope this explanation is clear. Could you please repeat once? Could you please mention that in the comment section? If it's clear, that's good to go. Please do mention that in the comment section, Akhil. Each and everyone in the class, please write your queries here. You can drop your message in the comment section. Akhil, have you understood? Thank you, Akhil. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Thank you so much, Priti Pandey. Very good. Now, let's work on this. So, 29 plus 3, 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 38 plus 24, 62. 62 plus 5, 67. We got 67 in total. By 7, what's the remainder? What's the remainder here? 7 times 9, 63. And you are left with 4. So, your answer will be 4th day of a week. And it's a Thursday. This is how we solve or we calculate the given day, and we can say which day of the week it is. So we are done with one of the important models from this topic. Clear? And thank you so much, Akhil, for the confirmation. Wonderful. So I am sure you guys can solve questions from this particular model. Let us move on to the next one now. Observe this question once. Do read the question once, the one which is present on the screen. On which dates of September 2009 did Monday fall? On which dates of September 2009 did Monday fall? How do we calculate this? How should we understand this question now? Previously, you are given a particular date and we calculated and we found which day of a week it was. But this time, you are asked to find on which dates of September 2009 did Monday fall. In order to find this, let us calculate 1st September 2009. If we are able to say which day of a week it was, based on that, we can find one of the Mondays in this particular month. When one of the Mondays is found, I am sure we can also calculate the remaining Mondays as well. That's not a big deal then. So let us try to calculate 1st September 2009. Let's work on this now. Let's all together. Date same as date. September month code, it's 5. Century code, 6. Number of years, 9. Leap years among 9 years are 2. Let us add all these numbers now. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. Plus 2, 23. As we got 23 in total, 23 by 7, the remainder being 2, that's a Tuesday. Tuesday. Let us understand this. As we calculated this, and we got to know that 1st September 2009 is a Tuesday. When 1st is a Tuesday, second will be a Wednesday, third will be a Thursday, fourth will be a Friday, fifth will be a Saturday, sixth will be a Sunday, and seventh will be a Monday. So first Monday is observed on 7th. First Monday is observed on 7th. Next will be on, as we know, after every 7 days, you'll get the same day again, same day of a week again. So 14th, and after 14th, 21st. After 21st, it's 28th. On these particular dates, you will observe Monday in the given month and in the given year. Hope this is clear. So in order to find on which dates Monday fall in the given year and the particular month, this is the approach to solve the question. So once we get to know one of the days, any given particular date, and if you are able to say, if you are able to figure out which day of a week it was, based on that we can find the remaining required days. I'd like to give you another example now. I want you to find Thursdays of, let us say, 1990 October. On which dates of October 1990 did Thursday fall? If this is the question, let us calculate 1st October 1990. Date same as date, 1. October code, that's 0. Century code, that's 0 again. Number of years, 90. Leap years among 90 years. 90 when divided by 4. 90 when divided by 4. Number of leap years, 22. Let us add all these values now. We shall do one thing now. Observe this one carefully. Instead of adding all these numbers, you can also calculate it this way. Let's understand this. Instead of adding all the numbers and then dividing it by 7, let us try to divide the given numbers by 7 here. And let us try to write the remainder, which makes our work really very easy. 22 by 7, the remainder is 1. 90 plus 1, 91, divided by 7, the remainder being 0. Let me tell you one thing now. Let's assume a number, 7k. 7k. When divided by 7, what will be the remainder? 0. When you add two numbers, 7k plus 7n, and when this number is divided by 7, the remainder will be 0 again. Is that clear? And then, if you observe a number that's in the form of 7k plus 3, when divided by 7, the remainder will be 3. Clear? 7k plus 3 plus 7n plus 5, divided by 7. What will be the remainder? Observe this one carefully. 7k, that will be nullified. When divided by 7, your remainder will be 0. 7n, again you will get the remainder as 0. If you add these two numbers, 3 plus 5, that gives you 8 by 7, the remainder will be 1. The same remainder occurs when you add all these numbers and divide it by 7. Based on the same logic, we are going to solve it this way now. 90 plus 1, 91 divided by 7, your remainder is going to be 0. 22 by 7, remainder is 1. So finally, we got to know that it's a Monday. So 1st October 1990, 1st October 1990, that's a Monday. When first is a Monday and you are required to find Thursday, when will you observe the first Thursday? When will you get the first Thursday? First is a Monday, second is a Tuesday, second is a Tuesday, third is a Wednesday, and fourth, that's the Thursday. Once we got to know that one of the Thursdays is on 4th, next will be on 11th, next will be on 18th, next will be on 25th. That's how it works. So we are done with 2 important models from this topic. I want each and every one in this class to confirm whether it's clear or not. Have you guys understood? Do mention that in the comment section, everyone. Yes. Very good, Rama B. Thank you for the confirmation. Very good, Yashoda. Thank you for the confirmation. I'm awaiting the response from the remaining guys as well. Shall we move on to the next model now? Thank you so much, Preeti, for the confirmation. Yes. This is going to be a very important model from this topic. Look at the question once. If 17th September 1993 was a Friday, then which day of the week was 30th June 1989? You are expected to calculate this question. You are expected to find your answer here. Let's understand this information first. When the given question starts with if, what does it mean? What does it mean? 17 September 1993, it may be a Friday or it may not be. We cannot predict anything. Clear? So there is a possibility for being a Friday. On the other hand, it cannot be a Friday as well. We cannot predict anything. So we have 2 possibilities here. Without calculating this, we will not get to know whether it's a Friday or not. But you are expected to calculate this 30th June 1989, and this is with reference to this, with respect to the first date, with respect to the first day. Now we are expected to calculate the second one. Let's see how to solve this. Let us do one thing. Let us calculate 17th September 1993 first, and let's get to know whether it's a Friday or not. Let us try to calculate this once. Date same as date 17. Month code that's being 5. Century code it's 0. Number of years 93. And leap years among 93 years 23. Let us do one thing. 17, which can be considered as 3. 17 by 7, the remainder being 3. 93 by 7, the remainder is 2. 23 by 7, the remainder is 2. And again, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. As it's 7, we can consider it as 0. Every 7 can be considered as 0. Now let's add these numbers now. 5. So that's a Friday. The given day is correct. That's a Friday. Now let us calculate the second date. 30th June 1989. Let us calculate this now. 30 June, it's 4. The given year belongs to 20th century. 20 by 4, remainder 20 by 4, remainder 0, and the century code will be 0. Number of years being 89. Leap years among 89 years are 22. Here 22, that can be considered as 1. 89, that can be considered as 5. 7 times 12, 84, and you are left with 5. 30, that can be considered as 2. 7 times 4, 28, and you are left with 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 can be considered as 0. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So it's a Friday again. As the given date, as it's a Friday, my answer will also be a Friday. This is a best case scenario, which means that the given day is a Friday. So we have another possibility here. What if it's not a Friday? Hope this is clear, everyone. Do mention that once. If this is clear, I'll give you another wonderful example of, and we are going to discuss a wonderful method to solve this question with ease and comfort. Is that clear, everyone? Thank you, Ashoda. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Yes, let us solve this question now. If 21st October 1990 is a Wednesday, then find 25th June 1991. So I am not sure whether it's a Wednesday or not. Let us get to know that first. Let us try to solve it first. 21st October 1990. Date same as date. Month code it's 0. Century code that's 0 again. Number of years 90. Leap years among 90 years are 22. Just give me a minute. I would like to write it here. Yes, look here once. 21. October month code is 0. Century code that's 0. Number of years 90. Leap years being 22. Here it's 25. Century month code being 4. Century code being 0. Number of years 91. Leap years among 91 years are 22. Now I want you guys to help me with the calculation, and I want you guys to tell me the sum of all these values present on the screen now. So what is 21 plus 90 plus 22? It's 133. I want you guys to confirm whether my calculation is correct or not. In the second case, 25 plus 4 plus 91 plus 22. Yes. Observe this one carefully enough. Here, by adding all these numbers, I have got 133. By adding all these numbers, I have got 142. Now, we need not divide this number by 7. We need not divide this number by 7. Do understand the base logic here. Observe that, look at this question this way. If 133 is a Wednesday, if 133 is a Wednesday, 142 will be which day? If 133 is a Wednesday, 142 will be which day of a week? So 133 plus 9 is 142. Plus 9 in our language it can be written as plus 2. So Wednesday plus 2 will be my answer. If 133 is a Wednesday, 142 will be a Friday. If 133 is a Wednesday, 142 will be a Friday. Let me repeat. By putting all these numbers together, I have got 133. By adding all these numbers together, we have got 142. It is clear that 133 is a Wednesday. Then you are expected to find 142. 142 is 9 more than 133. 142 is 9 more than 133. Plus 9. Plus 9 divided by 7. That's plus 2. Clear? So Wednesday plus 2 will be a Friday. Is this clear, everyone? Have you understood? I want you guys to write your answers in the comment section. Have you understood? Thank you for your response, Akhil. Thank you, Preeti. Yes. Hope this is clear. To keep it simple, instead of adding all these numbers, let us try to reduce this step as well. Let us try to reduce this effort as well. Instead of adding all these numbers, stay focused enough, listen to me carefully. I want you guys to find the difference between these two. 21 to 25. If you guys observe an increase, I want you to go with a plus. When you observe a decrease, I want you to go with a minus. From 21 to 25, that's plus 4. From 0 to 4, that's an increase again, plus 4. 0 and 0, that remain the same, 0. 90 to 91, that's an increase, plus 1. 22 and 22, which remain the same, so it's 0. By adding all these numbers, we have got plus 9. As this number is more than 7, divided by 7. When you get a number, if it's more than 7, divided by 7 in order to find the remainder. Here the remainder being 2. And this symbol will be the same even here. You guys are expected to write the same symbol even for the remainder here. So it's plus 2. So my answer will be the given day. Whatever the given day is, the given day plus 2 will be your answer. So Wednesday plus 2, that's a Friday. Hope this is clear. This logic works with 100% accuracy irrespective of the given centuries. You need not bother about the centuries as well. Clear? This works with 100% accuracy. I would like to give you another example now. Let me try to change the centuries now. Let me pick two different dates from two different centuries, and I am sure we will definitely get the correct answer for this question, and you guys will definitely understand this. And the question being 10th November 1665, if it is a Saturday. I am not sure whether it's a Saturday or not. Anyhow, it's not required to calculate this. And the second one, October 1939. I am sure you are given two different dates from two different centuries. Clear? And still we are going to solve it in this method, this beautiful method, from which we can definitely get our answer with ease and comfort. Let me write these things first. Date same as date, month code, century code. The given year belongs to 17th century. So 17 by 4, remainder being 1. When the remainder is 1, your century code is 6. Number of years 65 and leap years being 16. Now, second one, date same as date 31, October code being 0, number of the century code. The given year belongs to 20th century. So century code remains the same 0. Number of years 39. Leap years among 39 years are so 9 times 4, 36. That's 9. Let us try to calculate this now. From 10 to 31, as it's an increase, I want you to go with a plus. So difference between these two should be considered as plus 21. 3 to 0, that's a decline, minus 3. 6 to 0, as the value decreased, I want you to go with a minus 6. Do understand this. When you observe an increase between these two values, we need to go with a plus. If you observe a decline, I want you to go with a minus. From 3 to 0, that's minus 3. From 6 to 0, that's minus 6. 65 to 39, as the value reduced, minus, and the difference between these two is 26. 16 to 19, that's a decrease, minus 7. So let us add all these values now. So plus 21 minus 26, let's write it as minus 5. As we discussed earlier, in this topic, 7 can be considered as 0. So let's ignore this. Be it plus 7, be it minus 7, in either of the instances, that will be considered as 0. I want you to understand this example now. If today is a Monday, after 7 days, that's a Monday again. If today is a Monday, 7 days earlier, even that's a Monday again. Clear? If it's a Monday, even after 7 days, you'll observe the same day. If it's a Monday, even 7 days before, you'll observe the same day. So 7 is not going to make any difference in this topic. Be it plus 7, be it minus 7, in either of the instances, our answer will remain unchanged. So we can consider 7 as 0 in this topic. So here, there are the three numbers what we are left with. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 5. Let's add these numbers now. Minus 9, minus 5, that's minus 14. Minus 14 by 7, remainder being 0. So my answer will remain unchanged and the final answer is going to be a Saturday. Is this clear, everyone? Have you understood? And I am sure this logic works with 100% accuracy irrespective of the given centuries. So I need your confirmation in the comment section. Are you guys with me enough? Is it clear, everyone? Have you understood? So I can say that we are done with the first lesson from the topic calendars. So we will continue this topic and the second lesson will be posted in this channel soon. I'm awaiting your responses in the comment section. And also, if you guys have any queries, if you guys have any doubts from any of the topics, you guys can mention that question in the comment section. I am sure your doubts will be addressed in this channel. And with this, I'll conclude our today's session. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your active participation, each and every one in this class. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.